Greetings from the Flagstaff Gardens where I went for a nature walk. This garden is a beautiful location with a lot of trees, flowers, and a huge playground for kids as well. Going out for a nature walk would be a simple yet fun experience for children to explore new engagements with nature and learn a lot throughout the whole experience. They will learn to differentiate between learning indoors and outdoors, actually getting to explore more beyond the classrooms. As an activity, we can collect leaves, branches, seeds, and so many other things and create some toys or drawings with the collected items. These materials collected by the children themselves will be used as a resource of their own to explore their curiosity and input creativity while engaging with nature. By taking children to playgrounds and parks, they will learn to engage in new ways of adapting with nature, animals, science, and maths. Also, allowing them to make their own decisions during these natural activities can better their agency and sense of control. For example, asking children to choose between two activities such as counting the numbers of leaves or if they want to play with the sand instead. That can show what decision making is. As a future educator, it plays a central role for us to facilitate children and provide them with perfect environments like nature and outdoor learning spaces to improve better learning. I believe that through activities and play work in natural and outdoor spaces can promote more agency. In this way, children can make their own decisions while playing and taking part in various learning activities. As educators, it is also up to our influence and share our knowledge with the children so that they take our teaching and learn better with their personal learning at the same time as well. With these natural outdoor activities, we can explore components of maths and new vocabularies, science, and new ways to solve problems. For example, children would have a chance to compare the sizes and shapes of trees and flowers or even learn to use different senses such as sight, smell, etc. In an early childhood context, the nature of embedding play work in children's activities can improve children's learning in many aspects such as better cognitive skills, mathematical language, and scientific interactions. Most of nature playgrounds and sand play can be linked to mathematical learning. For instance, some of the learning material we can include in mathematical learning would be numbers, patterns, shapes, and classifications. As a result, the more children use mathematical language during those play experiences, it definitely would display their confidence and competency in mathematical knowledge. Applying logic in a situation would also be an essential skill set that they learn while playing with sand or even on swings. As the young ones learn to move around and work around with certain rides or activities, they learn to manipulate space and develop logical acting that enables them to solve a task. In a way, we also have to understand the place of nature as a pedagogical contact zone where we try to engage the children with particular parts of places and try to understand the more than human things such as trees and its natures. In fact, maintaining a sense of fun and playfulness throughout the nature experience will allow the children to freely walk and move around and not be restricted just in a small space. They will also learn to respect the nature in cases such as not plucking flowers or touching certain plants and basically noticing what they're being surrounded in the environment. To conclude, involving play in outdoor settings can not only improve children's learning, it also contributes well with their personal growth and finding new beginnings of particular interest.